Have you ever gotten frustrated with Acumatica? Like
Oh,
just little things,
yeah.
like
Nice.
just those little inefficiencies,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
where you're trying to like manage grid data and you're like, oh, I got to refresh this manually, or
Yeah.
I want to add a row or delete a row, and you have to go click through menus.
Right. And you're like,
Yeah.
well, why isn't there just a button for this?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It just takes so much time.
Well, it's
The,
like all these little things that add up, They
exactly.
just kill your productivity.
Right. It's death by 1,000 paper cuts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So today we have Noor,
uh-huh.
who is an associate software engineer at Tiana Solutions, and she has like 5 years of ERP experience.
Wow.
And she's worked on over 150 different scenarios and 100 base screen customizations, like specifically within Acumatica's distribution and e-commerce editions.
So she really knows her stuff.
Yeah. So she's going to walk us through some of the challenges
Okay, awesome.
that users face. So like,
I guess, Nora, let's just jump right into it.
Sure.
The default Acumatica grid, it's robust, but like you were just saying,
yeah.
it doesn't have those buttons readily available for you to do those things.
Yeah, like refresh, add a row, delete a row, even fitting it to your screen.
Right. I know that you guys at Tiana have come up with a solution for this.
We have.
Like,
So, yeah, we've basically figured out how to leverage Acumatica's customization project
Oh, yeah.
capabilities to add those buttons right to the toolbar.
Oh, cool.
So it's just like one click and boom, you get what you need.
Wow. So can you just walk us through how you actually did that?
Yes. So first you go into the customization project in Acumatica,
Okay.
and then you navigate to the screen with the grid you want to work with.
Mm.
Then you go to the customization layout editor,
Okay.
and in the editor, you just tweak the grid's properties
Oh, yes.
and add the buttons you want to the toolbar.
Are there any like specific properties that you have to set to make those buttons work?
Yeah, there are a few. So you got to set the skin ID to details.
Okay.
And then there's some stuff within the PX grid element,
Okay.
like its ID, which is usually PX grid 1,
Uh-huh.
the data source ID, which links it to the data,
Okay.
and then settings for auto adjust page size and allow paging.
Oh, yeah.
And then, of course, you want to set the height and width, too.
Right.
And there are a few others that can be helpful, too, like key position, matrix mode, and sync position.
Okay.
These basically tell Acumatica to show the extra action buttons.
Gotcha. So you just set these and then the buttons just show up.
Pretty much, yeah.
That's amazing.
Once you configure the layout and publish the customization, they'll be right there above the grid.
So I know that this solution that you guys came up with actually came from feedback from your customers.
Did, yeah.
So like, how did that come about?
It seemed like everyone was complaining about the same thing. It was like every other call.
Got it.
People were getting frustrated with having to manually manage the grid. So we did a bit of digging and realized that adding these buttons was the best way to fix it.
So simple, but so effective.
Exactly.
So now your customers can just, do all those things with just one click.
One click and they're done.
It's like magic.
It's pretty close.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I think this has been super valuable.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
I really appreciate you coming on and walking us through this.
No problem. It's my pleasure.
And for everyone listening, if you're dealing with this or anything else that's slowing you down in Acumatica,
Yeah.
definitely reach out to Tiana Solutions.
We can help.
They can help you customize Acumatica and make it work the way you want it to.
We love making Acumatica work for you, not against you.
That's so important, and that's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
I think it's so easy to just get stuck in our ways
Totally.
and think, oh, this is just how it is.
Yeah,
But there are solutions out there.
there are.
And I guess that's something for everyone to think about. What else in your Acumatica system could you customize to make your life easier?
Yeah, what else can you automate? What else can you speed up?
Yeah, and save time and money and all the good stuff.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much again, Nora, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And thanks everyone for listening to this deep dive.
See you next time.
Bye.